Welcome to MySale Books tutorial. Today we will be discussing how to do a payment voucher entry and receipt voucher entry in MySale Books. Firstly, we will look into the payment voucher entry. When we are giving the payment to the supplier for the credit they have given, we do a payment entry. Click on to accounting, select payment out. You can see payment voucher number and date on top right corner of this page. If you want to enter more voucher information, click on to more voucher info. Select the date from the calendar. You can select the employee name from the drop down. I am selecting Adam. If you want to change the currency, you can select it from the drop down. I am selecting UAE dirham. Click done. Now let's think the supplier Ahmad and Sons LLC have given the credit. So select the supplier name from the ledger name drop down. Provide the debit amount. I am providing 1000 AED as a debit amount. Click on to the credit amount. Select the credit ledger name from the drop down. I am providing it as bank. Then we need to specify the narration as being payment done. Next is payment mode. We can select the payment mode from the drop down. We can do the payment by bank transfer or by check. Here I am selecting check option. We have to provide the check number here. Suppose if we are providing the future dated check, click on to PDC check. Select the check date. I am selecting 31 March. Click save and print. Are you sure you want to save? A pop-up will appear. Click yes. Payment saved successfully. If you want to print the payment voucher, click on to print button. Now let's look into the receipt voucher entry. We do a receipt entry when we receive a payment against the credit sale which we have done to our client or customer. Select accounting. Then select the receipt in. You can see receipt voucher number and date on top right corner of this page. If you want to provide more voucher info, click on to the more voucher info and you can provide the details. Click on to the calendar, change the date. Select the employee name from the drop down. I am selecting Lily. If you want to change the currency, you can select it from the drop down. I am selecting UAE dirham. Click done. Now select the customer name from the ledger name drop down. I am selecting Gamma LLC. Then provide the credit amount. I am providing it as 1000 AED. Then select the debit amount. Provide the debit ledger name. I am selecting cash. Then we have to specify the narration as cash received. Next is payment mode. We can select the payment mode from the drop down. We can receive the amount either by cash or by bank transfer. Here I am selecting it as cash. Click save and print. Are you sure you want to save? Click yes. Receipt saved successfully. Suppose if you want to print the receipt, you can click on to print button and print the receipt. This is how we can do a payment and receipt voucher entry in MySale Books. Thank you for watching the video.